Hello, everyone. Welcome to Good Forex Institute. My name is today Eloma Janke. I'm a business development team leader with Good Forex Institute. So today, it will be very simple, very short as well. So we'll be focusing on how to read a Forex quote. 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 So how to read a Forex quote. This is what our topic will be about today. So anytime you subscribe with the broker, you download an MT4 and MT5 with the broker. To trade is very simple. We have a video on how to explore the MT4. So today we'll focus on only market watch. So to get market watch, click here. So here is the market watch. On market watch, we have everything. We have the currency pairs. We have the commodity, gold and silver. We have the shares, the commodity, the stocks, everything you need. The Tesla, the Netflix, the McDonald's, the US30. You have the BTC, the Ethereum. We have the Ethereum LD. We have Dashpoint, everything you need in forex trading. The broker we have access to all this. Coke, Amazon, everything you need. So guys, today our focus will be on currency pairs, especially Euro USD. So to start, let's go here. Let me bring the white spot here. So today our focus will be on Euro USD. Our focus will be on Euro USD. Euro is the base, and the dollar is the code set. I hope I'm making sense. So anytime you go to banks, you see them displaying prices of so many things. Prices of Ghana cedis to US dollar, or US dollar to Ghana cedis, price of euro to Ghana cedis, price of Ghana a Japanese yen to Ghana cedis. So many currency pairs, or some of the major pairs that are like Euro USD, GP USD. You'll be seeing so many of that. GP, Great Britain, pound to US dollar, Euro USD, gold to US dollar. So you'll be seeing so many of those things, those pairs. So today our focus will be in Euro USD. But before we go there, let me give you a simple explanation for those, because most of us in Ghana we really get an understanding of how our currency pairs works. So let's take US dollar. Let's take US dollar to Ghana cedis. US dollar to Ghana cedis. If US dollar is the base and Ghana cedi is the quote, it means that one US dollar equals to 5.2 Ghana cedis. If I'm right, $1 equal to 5.2 Ghana cedis. So when you go to banks, you'll be seeing something like this: 5.2 and 5.1, 4.1 banks. I hope I'm right. You see something like that. It means that one US dollar has been quoted in Ghana cedis and is 5.2 Ghana cedis. So you'll be seeing things like 5.2 and 5.1. This is the bid price and this is the ask price. The bid price is the selling price, and the ask is the buying price. It is at the price at which the banks or the broker is willing to sell you a particular currency. Either you are buying or selling. But when it comes to forex trading, this is how it works. We don't wait for a currency price to appreciate before we buy it. We don't really care whether it's appreciating or depreciating. Either it's depreciating, we are making money. Either it is appreciating, we are making money, because it all depends on analysis we do. and what you are seeing on the market. So if right now someone is saying that okay, USD will be buying, he will buy. At the same moment, the person will be doing them both at the same time, buy and sell at the same time. When you call it hedging most of the time. Buy and sell at the same time. When it's the buy direction, you make money. When it's in sell direction, you make money. So this house is works. The big price is selling the price at which the broker is willing to sell you that price. And the ask price is the price at which the broker is ready to buy you. You are ready to buy from the broker. I hope I'm making sense. So let's go back to Euro USD. So Euro USD price is the Euro USD price currently is 1.120C for the bid price and 1.20146. Sorry guys. So this is the ask price. So the difference between the bid and the ask is the spread. So if you're dealing with the broker and the broker will definitely charge you a spread, a swap, or depends when you leave your account overnight, commission sometimes. So it depends on how your account, for how long you hold our account. But the spread is automatic. So anytime you place a trade and you see the first negative amount that shows the spread is automatic. Either you like it or not, the broker will take it. So if in a day you open like 10 trade, the broker is making money. I hope you are making sense. So the difference between these two is what the broker will be making money out of. So let's say it will be 0.0004 pips, if I'm right. Because the fourth decimal is a pips and the fifth decimal is a pipe. I hope I'm making sense. So guys, this is how you read Forex Quotes. That is very simple. This is how we read Forex Quotes. It's very simple. So mostly when you go on your MT4, let's go back to the MT4. Sorry. Let's go back to the MT4. When you go to the MT4, you see spread, you see market watch. Let's go back to market watch again. You have all the currency pairs you want. The first thing to do is to right click it to see where the market is, go to market specification. It gives you the spread and everything you need to know. The spread, everything, the spread, the swap, the margin, everything you need to know. So guys, thank you very much for watching this video. This video will be on our channel at Good Forex Institute. It will be on our website too at www.goodforexinstitute.com. So everyone interested in learning forex trading, call us on +23330297626, or you can call me on +0023350147104. Guys, thank you very much for watching this video. So if you are in Ghana interested in forex trading, we do offer our online class. You can call us to provide signal services to us as well at very competitive price. So you can call us for us to have a discussion. Thank you very much, everyone, and have a wonderful day. Bye.